little bit. Oh, it does feel a bit wobbly. Don't like it. 270. My God, this surface is shocking. There's the wind, there's the wobble, there's the jump.
Oh my God! See, that is 280 and my heart's really starting to beat now. 290.
Max from Lamborghini had warned all of us that it would be too dangerous to exceed 300 kilometers an hour. And all of us chose to ignore it.
My foot is hard down now. 300 and... Oh, crikey, Moses. Had a lift there. Bit of a panic.
300 kilometers an hour indicated. I can feel the car jumping. Buffeting, buffeting. There's a skip. Oh,
340. 360. Every fibre of my being wants me to lift off.
oh, God almighty. God knows what those tyres are going through. God, it's hypnotic. Don't look at the line, don't look at the line. Come on! Please, just another 10.
326 indicators.